Okay, this is Bruce Stewart, and we know that you need to get into the Google Cloud Directory sync. You want to RDP into 10.10.50.46. Once you're into the server, Sherry will know the password, and what you do is you go down here to the bottom and you click on this little check mark. That's the Google Cloud Directory sync, Gcds. Once you're in.
And that's the one when you're on the server, right?
Yeah.
You're remoted in.
Right, I remoted in.
Okay.
And we're on the server.
Okay.
The server's 10.10.50.46. And what you do is you go to File. All you have to do is File, Open, Recent, and you open this one, the one that says Google Admin Documents to XML. If you open one of the other ones, it's not going to be a good thing. You just open this one only, because this is the one that's actually synced with the file. Now, once you open it, it authorizes itself. And as you go through here, you have your configurations. Don't change any of these things. But what it does is it syncs organization unit, and it syncs user accounts, and it syncs groups.
So groups, when we talk about syncing groups, is that like our memos?
Memos,
yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
Yep, it syncs the memos, yeah. But mostly it's there for syncing the student account.
Okay.
No admin accounts. And then this is the org units in the path that it takes. Like when it does EVA, that's the path for EVA and the elementary, middle school, high school. Okay.
Is primary school in there?
I don't see it. I don't mess around here for our recording army.
Well, we haven't had anybody say, apparently something's working because we have new kids come to primary school and they're using Clever long.
And as you go through each of these tabs, the best way to really learn it is to not fingerprint it. It's to call Damien at Amplified IT, and he'll tell you. But this is what you do when there's a problem with the sync. You clear the cache and you simulate a sync. And then this will tell us if there's any problems at all with the sync. So right now, it's processing the users. It'll give us a report. Probably going to tell us Joe, there's a double. There is that one that I think is, we have a workaround going for it, but it's not completely clear. One modified, Joseph Hall. Right?
Yeah.
Knew that was going to happen. Okay, but it has one modification, Joseph Hall, and
right now it's just simulated, right?
It's just simulated, so it didn't actually.
That's the first best practice is to always do simulation.
Always do simulation beforehand.
Right.
So I'm not going to actually run it for sure. I'm just doing that. It's showing you that here's one of the groups that's seeing things right now, and if you need to click the view logs, you can click there, and the log file comes up. If you read the log file, you always read from the bottom up. The bottom is the last thing that went in, and you go up from there. And that's about all I'll tell us about that today.
So for notifications right up there, I saw that it has your email. You put me and Sherry's in there.
Yes.
Okay.
Where do we see that?
Right here on the left. Notifications. It should clear out of there.
So what we'll do first, let's add the API. It was in because I don't know what would happen if I just went out.
Oh, yeah, that
one in there.
Thank you for doing that, Bruce. Sure. Make it easier. Don't let them know where to mess with that. Just in case.
Yeah. You have to mess with it sometimes, but the goal is not. Yeah. So now that I've made this change, if I close out, it will just go away back to what it was. and save.
Gotcha.
Not save as just diff simulation to save. Because we're just saving this change right here.
Gotcha.
Alright?